In this video, we're going to be showing how to pre-populate the inputs for the validation tool by using the time series plot. So to start, we need to turn on the data layers that we care about. So if we turn on an observation station layer, as well as a model layer, we can turn on Atlantic GFS wave height. And if we click on one of these buoys that has wave height as a parameter that it's measuring, you can see these values come in here. We can turn on wave height, and then we can turn on model wave height. So you can see these plotted in the plot down in the time series plot here. But if the user would like to validate this data further, they can use this button here in the top right. And if they click that, it will open the validation tool and it will pre-populate the parameter, the station, the comparison model, and the date range automatically syncs up with the date range on the time slider. So if we calculate this, you'll see it quickly calculates the error statistics table, the scatter plot, and the data comparison table. And there's more information about what each of these items are in the info button up here.